Cleanliness is next to godliness. This is a thought said by John Wesley. Hello everyone, this is Mehek Swain, a curious being who loves to speak on different topics. And today, I am here to share my views with you all on the topic cleanliness is next to godliness. Friends, as we all know that cleanliness is very important in our life from all the aspects. Cleanliness exactly means that the complete absence of dirt, dust, stains and bad smells from all the surrounding areas. This cleanliness is very helpful and important for us. In order to be a citizen of a country, this becomes our moral responsibility to take care of the environment. If we will live in the neat and clean environment, then we will not get sick and unhealthy. We will be always healthier. Friends, there are a variety of products which are used to clean different things. And this cleaning helps us to remove harmful bacteria and viruses present on the things. This cleanliness also helps us to be healthy and keeps us away from diseases. Now here one question arises that is this cleanliness classified? Yes, this cleanliness is classified into two parts. One is physical cleanliness and another is internal cleanliness. This physical or outside cleanliness keeps us clean from outside and gives us the feelings of well-being with confidence. Whereas the internal cleanliness keeps us mentally peaceful and away from anxiety. In this present situation of the spread of the COVID-19 outbreak is a big headache for the whole world. In this case, the cleanliness practices can stop the spread of COVID-19 outbreak. Cleanliness is the highest priority which should be there in all the homes. Cleanliness can be developed at any age. However, best to practice it from childhood. Cleanliness benefits only the person. However, it benefits the family, then to the society, then to the country, then to the continent, and slowly it will benefit the whole planet. I, as a child, requesting to all the parents that please keep your kids learn about this cleanliness and help them to make a good habit of this cleanliness. Thank you and stay safe and stay in your home always.